Hello, YouTubers. In this video, I will show you why you should upgrade your profile to Pro. So, let's get started. When you upgrade your profile, there would not be any ads in the app. Your campaign would be ranked in the top, so that it complete faster than free account. Your circle also would be ranked in the top, so that more member join in your circle firster. Most importantly, if you upgrade your profile, you can earn 3,000 to 5,000 coins per day, or even more. Just enable autoplay from here, before you start liking or subscribe or watch video. See it in action here. Currently, I have 10 coins in my account. Once I enabled autoplay and start watching, all task is doing the app automatically. You are watching 32x faster than real recorded video. All the task of earning coins is getting done automatically, watching the videos, liking and subscribing. All is done automatically. You do not need to do anything, just keep the app open, and coins will be added to your account. Once the like video page is complete, app will automatically move to top video section, and start earning coins by itself. Using this way, you can earn around 3,000 to 5,000 coins per day, or even more. After 2 hours, I got 3,190 coins in my account. So, upgrade your profile now, and enjoy all the pro features. Thank you for watching this tutorial.